Hi everybody. So पता नहीं मेरे मन में ये कैसे आया, but this is very important. Maybe वाणी the voice का असर है, but this is very important, especially all Biotonian girls. Very important. Please, it's my humble request. ध्यान से सुनिए. Number one, please carry a sanitary pad with you, even if you're not menstruating that day. Because of stress, sometimes menstrual dates could come a little earlier. The stress levels are going to be very high. Last moment, I don't want any girl to be in a situation where she's not comfortable. She's thinking that I don't have a pad and she's not comfortable, because of which her exams could be affected. My earnest request to you. Another earnest request, girls, especially if it's a day of the month when you're menstruating, I would request you to wear darker colored clothes so that psychologically you are feeling comfortable. You know, when you wear lighter color clothes, you could constantly be thinking about staining your clothes. Number three, please carry extra menstrual pads, sanitary napkins. You could get a little late while coming back from the center. You have to go early. You have to report 2 hours prior to the examination. So please carry extra sanitary napkins. I'm sure nobody can say no for sanitary napkins. If they do something, put them outside the class. Number four, please try and change your sanitary napkins just before the exam. Take a break, ask your examiner, go to the washroom. So there's those 3 hours you can just sit down, relax. And most important point, I always say that there's a very simple tablet which is available over the counter. You can ask your parents or a brother, sister, anybody to get it for you tomorrow. It's called Spasm. So if you are undergoing menstruation during the examination day, before or after that particular day, take this tablet. You will not have cramps. You will feel comfortable, because in cramps, you know, you will not really perform to your optimum level. All the best. God bless you, my warrior girls. You will do very well. Bye bye.